What's good, man? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. I just wanted to touch base with you guys real quick regarding the markets and this crazy ass price action that we had today. Obviously, I took a few trades. I was live streaming the first half of the day. The second half, I decided to jump off the stream and concentrate more. First of all, same thing I've been saying for a few days now, almost a week now, but basically that we are downtrending in a channel. And we have been for over 2 weeks. That is on the SPY and the Qs. This is the daily. This is the SPY. Okay? So we're downtrending, bro. And that's what I've been saying. All right? And also, what I said, first of all, that setup, the one that I'm always talking about, works in any market condition, but it works particularly good sometimes in a market where we're already downtrending. Just like I've been saying, go back to my stream and watch it. It's the same setup, bro. Let the market rip off the open. That's what it did. And then you just wait for us to top out and start hitting resistance. You feel me? That's what I did. So I'm seeing most of the resistance, mainly like around here. You also got to understand I'm watching it on the like the 15-minute, the 10-minute. I'm watching other stuff too. I'm not just watching the SPY, you feel me? Same setup I'm always talking about. Let the market rip off the open, confirm that we are topping out, and then you fade it. So that's what I did. Up here, I grabbed the 443 puts, faded them down here, got out. 443 is my price target. I waited a second to see if we're going to keep dumping, because again, I know that we are already in the downtrending market. Once I seen that we're finding support around 443, I just went ahead and took profits and got out. We bounced back up to resistance again. I rinsed and repeated, faded them again, got out. And then I chilled for a second. We bounced up again, came back down. And I'm also noticing that we keep holding this level down here, like 443. So I'm noticing that we keep coming down here and bouncing off this though. So this time I went long, you feel me? Grabbing the 444s. The trade worked, but I actually wanted to see like how far it would run, because I was already up on the day, you feel me? Like basically I had already hit my target, my goal for the day. I wanted to see how far it would run, you feel me? When what I should have did was just took profits and maybe left the runner on, but I didn't do that. That's something I need to work on. But we got up here, rejected, and started fading. I could have took profits at any time as we were coming down here, but seeing that we bounced here 3 times, I felt like it was probably worth the risk to see if we come down here and bounce again. You know what I'm saying? But we didn't. Like we started breaking down, and that's when I stopped out. And then I jumped off the live stream, and I was gonna be done trading for the day, but like I was still watching the markets. Obviously, like I said, screen time equals green time. You know what I'm saying? That's a real thing, bro. So look, I was watching the markets. I was like, damn, instead of going long right here, I should have just kept rinsing and repeating my setup. You feel me? Because look, that was the real move right there. You know what I'm saying? And remember, we're already in a downtrending market. I don't know what I was thinking actually by going long. You feel me? Even though the trade would have worked, my execution was poor. I didn't get out. Then I let it, instead of me just taking profits, I just let it keep running against me, hoping that we'd bounce here and then maybe start trending up. We did it though. We cracked it and I stopped out, right? But I was still watching the markets. That's when I got off the live stream. I'm watching it, right? And I'm seeing us come down, and then I see us come down here and start holding support down here. Look, 441, and then you got 441.25 right here. You know how I feel about the 50-cent increment. I'm sorry, the 25-cent increments. All right, I'm watching this. You feel me? Just from the sidelines, and I was like, fuck it, like, cause I just shut off the stream, but like I was still watching the market and had the ability to keep trading. So once I seen that, I was like, oh shit. I went long, grabbed the 442s, rolled them all the way up here. But I didn't know that the Fed minutes were coming out. So I'm like sitting back chilling. I'm like, yeah. You feel me? And then all of a sudden I seen the whole market dump. The SPY, the Qs, Apple, Meta, Tesla, everything that I'm watching just dumped. And like I knew immediately it was like some damn catalyst or something. I believe it was the FOMC meeting minutes from last month. You feel me? But what I also know is that most of the time, like when we're trending in a direction and there's an outside catalyst that comes in, it will affect price, but the overall trend continues most of the time. I wasn't even listening to it. You feel me? I was just watching the price action, so I don't know what they said. Obviously, it was something that caused the market to dump, but then bounce again. You feel me? And that's what I mean. Like, whatever trend, whatever direction the market was going in before that catalyst came out, like, we kept going in that direction for a little bit. You feel me? Like, we're trending up. We dumped, pulled back. I seen that we held support. Like, I was getting ready to stop out or try to flip my bias, but I seen these come down here and hold the support. So I stayed in them, and we ended up trending up even higher. And then I got out. Actually, I didn't get out here. I got out here because, like, after that dump, like, I wasn't playing with it. At the first sign of any resistance, like, I was taking profits, you feel me? Basically, we're coming up on 442.75, 25-cent increments, baby. I'm telling you. But yeah, right? So I see us topping out, and, like, keep in mind, like, again, I had already hit my goal, you feel me? So, like, I didn't need to take any trades. I just seen us topping out, you feel me? Push all the way up here. Now, what would have been the best and what I wanted to do was let us bounce above 443 so I can grab the 443 puts and fade them down. But it happened so fast that I had to get the 442s. But still, I jumped on the 442s, bro, and we just started dumping, bro. Just freaking washing out. We washed all the way out to the bottom of the range, look. So I faded him from up here to all the way down here. My last trade was actually the best trade of the day, you feel me? And basically that's it. And that's what I mean. Like, that setup works pretty much in any market condition. But again, when we're already downtrending, it can work even better. And sometimes you'll wash out more than you would think. You feel me? Because this was a complete washout from the top of the range to the bottom. Well, actually, the top of the range was up here. So not the tippy top, but still a decent fade. You feel me? From here all the way down here, bro. And I got out. That was my last trade of the day. You feel me? But an interesting day in the markets nonetheless. Hopefully, you were able to extract some capital from the markets. If not, hopefully and surely you kept your loser small. That's it. But thought I'd just touch base with you guys on that real quick. But yeah, bro, we're in a downtrending market, dog. Look. Like, I even cashed out a lot of my, you know what I'm saying, long-term plays before they gave back any more because, like, bro, I was up over 100% on Tesla when it was close to 300, but I didn't take profits. I took profits today. Even as much as it faded, I still made a profit on that trade because I got in, like, way back. You feel me? But look, here's the SPY. Clearly in the downtrend, bro. And now look, we've had 2 red days in a row. You feel me? And that's what I've been saying. It seems like they're trying to sneak in that correction, bro. Regardless, we're in a downtrending market, so be careful if you like to be long biased. And again, not to say that there isn't any longs. Like, you can't go long intraday because you can. I mean, I did on this trade right here. I went long. I just didn't get out. You feel me? I'd say the play of the day, the 2 trades of the day for me would have to be going long here, and then the minutes coming out, us dumping, holding support, and then bouncing back up, me getting out, and then me fading the market from up here to down here. The best trades of the day for me, anyways. Just thought I'd touch base with you guys regarding that real quick. It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. All right. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe, follow, hit the bell, and get the hell over to any one of my social media platforms and comment watch list if you want that watch list for free. Other than that, remember, first comes the risk, then comes the wish. Meaning, always focus on your risk first and not on profits first. Make sure that you're putting your trades on, again, at the right levels. Always be thinking about your risk to reward because, like I said, you can take 10 trades and 7 of them be red and 3 be green. Still come out net green if you're practicing the correct risk to reward ratio. All right? But anyways, it's your boy E. Holla at your boy. Peace.